Velas is a blockchain innovation-based organization settled in Switzerland. It is a counterfeit instinct work DPoS blockchain biological system for interoperable and exceptionally versatile exchanges. Velas has the quickest Ethereum virtual machine or eBPF cross-breed blockchain agreement, permitting up to 75,000 GOT exchanges each second. An exchange affirmation comes quite close to 1.2 seconds. Besides, Velas used the upsides of blockchain innovation and devices to make a straightforward, open source, local area-driven decentralized environment. Thus, how about we get everything rolling with Velas cost expectation? What is VLX? The local badge of the Velas stage is called VLX. Utility coin is mostly utilized in three ways. Right off the bat, for marking, merchants can stake it and get compensations for block approval. For this situation, Velas utilized designated marking component. Stakers can assign their token to the favored hub. There is no limit for assigning the stake. Also, every one of the administrations of the Velas stage, like Bitorbit, are paid utilizing the VLX token. At long last, clients can exchange and put resources into VLX tokens like other digital currency. The benefits incorporate installments made in VLX tokens that can be traded or sold at the ongoing business sector rate through administrations like Bittrex. HIBTC. Velas is prescribed to store the coin in Velas wallet. What are the upsides of utilizing Velas? Velas permits the client to assemble decentralized applications. Brilliant agreements upheld by speedy installment affirmation. The expense of exchanges is pitiful in correlation with the rivals in the business. The environment thinks about security, adaptability, and interoperability as the fundamental worries. With Velas, purchasers can fabricate an application, run a validator hub, coordinate dApps from EVM, incorporate a trade, and accomplice in the award program for contributing items and innovation for the environment's development. To be a piece of the cutthroat race in the blockchain business, Velas has declared a plenty of new ventures which are extremely helpful for the clients. Some of them incorporate Velas Pad, Bitorbit, and Velas Record. Velas account involves biometric verification of the client gadget for exchanges and login demands. No requirement for isolated passwords. Velas account gives a 360-degree perspective on associated applications and meetings on all gadgets. Besides, the connection point creates simple relocation from concentrated to decentralized arrangements. Bitorbit, it is a decentralized online entertainment stage for records, talks, and content. Content designers can adapt their work, and supporters can pay for it, and this keeps away from the intricacy of agents' contribution. Velas Vault. Clients can assign the secret phrase security and keys to the division calculation utilizing Velas Vault. The data will be disseminated over the organization, and in particular, it won't be accessible for any of its members. In the backend, it has different components to safeguard information security. In any case, the framework makes the client liberated from the mindful worries of information protection by assuming a sense of ownership with their high-level component. Purchasers will help in the accompanying ways, putting away their computerized resources with various kinds of approvals and getting and putting away passwords from different administrations through Velas Record approvals. VLX Specialized Examination. The digital money market has returned to a really persevering through bullish pattern for the December 7th exchanging meeting after the ruthless fall of the earlier week. Other than monetary concerns and financial guidelines, financial backers began precluding the worries of the Omicron variation. BTC was flooding to $50,000, giving a certainty lift to the crypto market. Youthful financial backers are dashing behind crypto lunacy and got important advanced resources at lower costs when the market had plunged a week ago. The worldwide digital money market hit $2.37 trillion, unfurling truly a development. All-out crypto market volume has contacted $137.77 billion. Crypto devotees and the crypto business are not prepared to stop for the concern of danger to the macroeconomic and monetary solidness of the countries. The ongoing cost of Velas VLX is 23 cents, with a 24-hour exchanging volume of $17,122,663.27. The coin's market capitalization is $541,802,226.67, with a coursing supply of 2,283,522,550 VLX. The greatest cost at which the coin exchanged was 57 cents, which is on November 4, 2021. An everything time low was noted at 1 cent on October 16, 2019. Taking a gander at the specialized examination outline. After Velas cost had been hanging for a very long time, it went through cost activity in November and costs began to flood, shaping new highs. On November 4, 2021, it contacted the unsurpassed high in the Velas cost history. After the Velas cost increment on November 4, 2021 framed a colossal negative light on the graph with a sell Velas sign. after the non-stop ascent. This has occurred with each token. Financial backers lose revenue inputting and witness a gigantic pullback in Velas cost levels. Subsequent to taking help at half of the rising coin, a marginally bullish pattern began once more. Velas VLX began falling through a dropping wedge example, and it was ruthlessly remembered back to the greater part of the raised level from the most extreme cost level. Velas cost today is 23 cents. Presently there is a minor climb in the value which could turn positive soon. Quick opposition for Velas VLX coin is set at 34 cents. And any transcend this is supposed to take Velas to 40 cents. Significant opposition is set at 46 cents over the reach. Velas can be anticipated as a productive venture for the present moment. Then again, on the off chance that the cost of Velas neglects to return from the quick help of 23 cents, then a Velas VLX cost can collide with 20 cents and significant help at 16 cents. Subsequent to examining the information of a portion of the significant specialized pointers, RSI is put at 60.01. MACD is over the sign line for the past numerous days. Velas VLX cost is over the 50 MA and 20 MA and 200 MA. VLX cost expectation for the present moment is bullish. Financial backers and merchants can begin to go into Velas VLX. Velas value expectations 2022 to 2026. The Velas cost has given a decent revisitation of financial backers for the last year. Critical returns in a solitary year made Velas worth the effort for the people who had the coin in their portfolio. The unpredictability of advanced tokens generally relies upon the common market situation. Somewhat, the venture group have some control over interest and supply. The expansion pace of the coin likewise influences its cost. Velas cost estimate is unrevealing long-haul development. VLX value forecast 2022. During the final part of the year, it is anticipated to move the cost to 31 cents, and the greatest future cost expected is 32 cents. The base cost is normal at 29 cents. Thus, the year's typical cost is 31 cents territory just in light of our Velas cost gauge. VLX coin value expectation 2023. Velas lovers can expect a beginning at a typical cost of 35 cents and a base cost of 31 cents according to our Velas cost gauge. The VLX conjecture anticipate the Velas cost will contact 39 cents around mid-year, and the greatest worth expected for the year is 38 cents. By 2023, according to our Velas coin estimate, it will break the record ever high and will be moving to new highs. VLX crypto value forecast 2024. VLX crypto gauge predicting a start of 32 cents in January 2024. Velas cost forecasts show it will break 49 cents by July 2024. Velas gauge information implies that a most extreme anticipated reach will be 40 cents, another expansion for the coin esteem. Crypto darlings can put for medium term in the coin. Velas value expectation 2025. In light of our VLX coin conjecture, Velas future appears to be bullish in 2025. The year will begin at 58 cents. Velas crypto cost gauge proposes the worth will